Hello friends, in this video lecture we are going to discuss important formulas related to sector and segment. Before discussing the formula, I'd like to introduce you about the sector and segment. Let us see what is sector. Let us consider this is the circle, O be the radius, O be the center, and OA and OB be the radius of the circle. Then sector is defined as the region bounded by two radii and arc of a circle is said to be the sector. The region bounded by two radii and an arc of a circle is said to be the sector. Here this is said to be the minor sector, and this remaining whole part is said to be major sector. Now let us consider another circle, O be the center and the chord AB be the chord. Then segment is defined. This is for segment. Segment is defined as the region bounded by an arc and a chord of a circle is said to be segment. The region bounded by arc plus chord of circle is said to be arc plus chord of a circle is said to be the sector. This region is said to be the sector. Segment. This region said to be segment. Here this is said to be minor segment, and this is said to be major segment. Okay. Now let us proceed towards the formula. The formula for calculating the area of minor sector is equal to pi r square theta by 360 degree, where theta is the angle of sector. This is the angle of sector. And the alternative formula for calculating the area of minor sector is 1 by 2 into radius into arc length. Here if arc length is given, we can calculate the area of sector by using this formula. In short, this is written as 1 by 2 into L into R. Here L is the representation for the arc length and R is the representation for radius of the circle. If the circumference is given, if we are given circumference of a circle, then for calculating the arc length of the minor sector, we can apply this formula, theta by 360 degree plus 2 pi into 2 pi r. Then we get the area, length of the arc, and by subtracting the arc length of minor sector from the circumference, we will get the length of the arc of the major sector. In that way we can calculate. Now for calculating the area of major sector, we can apply pi r square minus pi r square. That means it's area of circle minus area of minor sector. Then we get the area of major sector. Okay. Now if we have to calculate the perimeter, this is perimeter of the sector, then we can apply the formula pi r theta by 180 plus 2r. Pi r theta plus 180 plus 2r. Instead of that, we can also, if we have to find the perimeter of major sector, this is applicable for the minor sector, but if we have to find the perimeter of major sector, then we have to apply pi r theta by 360 degree plus 2 by 2r, because in sector this is the perimeter, the length of the boundary. For sector this is this plus this is the perimeter. Okay. Now if the angle of sector is not given and we have to find the angle of sector, then we can apply this formula. Angle of sector will be equal to 360 degree into area of sector by pi r square. Okay. In short, we can write 360 into a by pi r square. Okay, I hope these formulas are clear to you. Now let us proceed towards the next formulas. Now another formula for calculating the area of minor segment. First see for calculating the minor segment. The formula for calculating the area of minor segment is equal to pi r square theta segment. Here this is the segment, boundary bounded by an arc and the chord of a circle. Okay, so the formula for calculating the area of minor segment will be equal to pi r square theta by 360 degree minus 1 by 2 into r square sine theta. Here this formula is for finding the area of this triangle. This triangle, that means area of sector minus area of this circle minus area of this triangle, then we can get the area of this segment. Okay, now for calculating the area of major segment, if we have to find the area of major segment, this part, then we can apply the formula pi r square minus 360 minus theta by 360 degree plus 1 by 2 r square sine theta. That means this is the derivation, but if this will be this will appear difficult to you, then you can apply a very simple formula, which is area. First find the area of circle and then subtract the area of minor segment, then you will get the area of major sector. But this is the short formula, pi r square minus pi r square into 360 minus theta, that is angle of the sector, by 360 degree plus 1 by r square sine theta. Why? Because this is the, in this it includes this triangle and also the remaining part of the circle. Okay, now if we have to find out the perimeter of segment, then the perimeter of segment, for calculating the perimeter of segment, we should apply 2 pi r theta by 360 degree plus 2 pi r into sine theta by 2. This is the formula for calculating the perimeter of segment. Now a very important thing which is generally asked in the examination, when a circle is inscribed inside an equilateral triangle, that means in circle, if we have to find the radius of in circle, that means a circle inscribed inside a triangle, then the formula applicable here will be and the formula applicable here will be equal to r equal to a by 2 root 3. Here you can see that when a circle inscribed inside a triangle, then the formula for calculating the radius of this circle will be equal to r equal to a by a, that means side of the equilateral triangle, by 2 root 3. Okay, and when we have to find if we have to find the radius of circumcircle, that means circumcircle of an equilateral triangle, then we apply r equal to a by root 3. Okay, thank you. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.